Creating a portfolio website on Google Sites is free, easy, and perfect for showcasing your work or resume. Here's how to do it in a few steps. Sign into Google Sites. Go to sites.google.com and click the plus button to start a new site. Choose a template. You can pick a blank site or choose a pre-designed template under the portfolio category to save time and structure. Add pages. Use the Pages tab on the right to create sections like About Me, Portfolio, Resume, Contact, etc. Click the plus icon to add each page. Customize content. On each page, use the Insert panel to add text boxes, images, buttons, videos, Google Docs, or Drive files. You can also embed content or include external links to your work. Design and layout. Change the header image, fonts, and color scheme under the Themes tab to match your style. Preview and publish. Click the preview to see how it looks on desktop and mobile. Then click Publish, choose your web address, and your portfolio is live.